take a look at some additional computer network types, including the wireless local area network, or WLAN, the personal area network, or PAN, and the campus area network, or CAN. So, beginning with the WLAN, this is what in general day-to-day conversation most of us just refer to as Wi-Fi, because of course it provides wireless connectivity for our devices. They typically use high-frequency radio waves in the 2.4 gigahertz or the 5 gigahertz range these days, and of course generally includes internet access as well. And best of all, it allows user movement while staying connected to the network. So of course this is why we like it for our mobile devices so much. But with respect to some of the terminology on a WLAN, officially every device is referred to as a station, but a station is then categorized as one of two objects. It is either an access point, which of course provides us with access to the wireless network and generally functions as a router, or you are a client, and the client simply connects to the access point, and this can include a variety of devices, again, phones, tablets, laptops, really anything that supports Wi-Fi. But quickly, with respect to the access point, there is a distinction there. It says they generally function as routers, and of course that is true, but they actually don't have to. If you are in a very large environment, such as an airport, then there would really only be one point that actually connects you to the internet. But most Wi-Fi routers don't have the range capability to cover something as large as an airport terminal. So what you have are these additional access points throughout the terminal that simply provide you with connectivity to the network. So they themselves do not provide you with internet access, nor do they function as routers. You could really just think of them more so as Wi-Fi switches. So again, an access point all by itself is simply providing you with access to the network. Then, of course, there would be at least one device functioning as a router, but in this particular implementation, the router itself does not need to be a Wi-Fi device. Now, for all of us at home, of course, that is exactly the case. We only have one Wi-Fi router, and it performs both functions. It allows for the connectivity of all of the devices, which really is the switching component, but it also performs the routing to allow us to get to the internet.